This video explains how to use the Blue Sky Bio Hammerless Sinus Lift Instrument Kit. The kit is very effective and can dramatically reduce perforation of the sinus membrane if the suggested protocol is followed. The kit is simple to use and does not require uncomfortable hammering of the sinus floor or special instruments for a hydraulic lift. A flap is raised to expose the alveolar bone. The height of the sinus floor is measured on an X-ray. The pilot drill is used with a stop that is 2 mm shorter than the measured height. The stop is removed from the pilot drill and placed on the smallest diameter sinus drill. The drill is inserted until the stop touches the crestal bone. The next stop that increases the length by 1 mm is placed on the sinus drill. The drill is inserted into the osteotomy without rotation. If the stop cannot reach the crest, this is an indication that the sinus floor has not been lifted. The drill is activated and advanced until the stop touches the crest. The stop on the drill is replaced with the next stop that increases the length by 1 mm. The drill is inserted into the osteotomy without rotation, and if the tip of the drill touches bone before the stop touches the crest, this is again an indication that the sinus floor has not been lifted. The osteotomy is advanced. The stop on the drill is again replaced with the next stop that increases the length by 1 mm. The sinus drill is inserted into the osteotomy without rotation, and if the stop touches the crest, this is an indication that the floor of the sinus has been lifted with the previous stop. The drill should be removed without drilling. It is important to use the previous stop and not to continue with the stop on the drill. The previous size stop that was used on the last osteotomy is placed on the next larger diameter sinus drill, and the drill is advanced until the stop touches the bone. The same stop is used for the next larger diameter sinus drill. And the drill is advanced until the stop touches the bone. Again, the same stop is used for the next larger diameter sinus drill. And the drill is advanced until the stop touches the bone. Small granules bone graft material is brought to the site. The previously used stop is attached to the bone packer and the graft material is condensed into the site. It is important that the sinus membrane is lifted by the graft material and not touched by the packing instrument. Depending on the material that was used, it is possible to take an X-ray and evaluate if the lift is adequate for the selected implant size. The final implant drill is used at 50 to 100 RPM and without irrigation, and advanced to 1 mm beyond the sinus floor. It is important not to advance the drill too far into the sinus. The desired implant is placed and the cover screw is inserted. The flap is sutured. Adequate time is allowed for vital bone to generate around the implant.